Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So as we were talking about in the yesterday's video that because of this small green colored doji, this momentum, this candle, we might able to see little bit upside momentum, but that doesn't happen because the overall trend of the Bitcoin is down only, and not even the Bitcoin, it is the case of almost all the important major cryptocurrencies these days. So yes, the overall trend is downtrend, and in the middle, in the during the trend, in the between the trend, you might get some upside momentum that you call the rally. Now since the prices again it took a support and here, and yesterday we have seen a fall. So what has happened here is exactly the price is behaving very nicely on the levels. Let me just explain it to you. So here, so as of now, we can take 20,000 level as the resistance, and we can take up a support at 19,000. Precisely, it is 18,966. So this is the support area. And now since the price is again coming back to this support area, we might able to see the price will, it may go up to the resistance level. But remember one thing, today we have a very important event, which is the Fed interest rate meeting, FOMC meeting. So maybe we might not get any momentum during the day, but at that time we might able to see the clarity. So mostly the situation is something, they are expecting to raise the interest rate by 75 basis point. We'll be discussing in the equity, in our daily equity analysis video as well. So we might able to see little more volatility there. So let's say if there is some negative momentum, you will see some fall here also, and not if nothing happened like that, so you might able to see the price will come back to the resistance. So this is a very tricky situation, very volatile situation, because if I'll talk about clearly based on the chart, we can easily see, let me just show it to you as well. We can clearly see that this 19,000 level is an important level in the recent time, because just look at here many a times the price is just taking up a support here and again starts moving up. So yes, this level depends on today's economic data, and accordingly we would be able to see. So what I can see, in that case, because there might be a much volatility, huge volatility, so in that case what we can see, let me just take the resistance at 20,000, and let me just take the support at 17,552. So this is a this is a little much, or this is much higher or bigger range, but yes, because we might expect little more volatility here, so we can take these levels for the cryptocurrency, for the Bitcoin, right? So we are expecting that the price will be there in this area, in this range only. Now if I talk about the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also showing some lack of strength here, and that's the reason it was down by more than 3% yesterday. So there is no scope, looking like yes, so it was down by around 4%, and this is the 100 EMA, very near to the resistance level. So there is no scope of that the price may look little stronger, the price it just may go up. So what we can expect, we can take up a support at 1215. This is the level where we are expecting that the price might reach, and again depending upon the economic data outcome, we'll have to see what will be the data, and accordingly we can decide where the price can go. But yes, as of now, looking at the technical setup, we can say that we can take a resistance at 1510, which is an important resistance, and the support level we can take at 1215. So yes, because now the price is overall looking weak, the trend is down, the price is now trading below the 100 EMA and the important resistance of 1510. So we can easily see that the overall we can expect a fall in the price. So this is how what we can expect. But today if you are trading here in these cryptocurrencies, you need to be very much aware, and you just need to focus on the data. And that also a possibility, because everybody is expecting that there will be a 75% basis point hike. So you might not see much volatility. So again, depending upon lot of the factors. So what you can see prior to the event, the moment you will see that the event comes out. So basically, if you talk about the Indian timing, so it will come at 11:30 in the night. So that this is the Indian time. So prior to that, just look at the trend, just look at the levels, and accordingly you can take that volatility for your trade. So this is how you can look at these two cryptocurrencies. And if you are getting some knowledge out of it, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also click on the notification bell icon. So I'll be meeting you tomorrow. Till then, happy trading and be safe in trading today. So thank you so much for watching us.